Our hero starts in the humblest of beginnings. Tired and weary from a life of seeming stagnation, he yearns for change, for growth, for transformation. Awash in desolation, one day he stumbles upon a simple realization. Change begins within. This revelation sparks something within him, a flicker, then an ember, then a flame. The evolution of change begins. From that moment, life alters around him. He commences a journey of positive transformation. In his career, he embraces new challenges. He endures trials and failures, but instead of shying away, he welcomes each as opportunities to learn, to grow more resilient and resourceful. He cherishes personal relationships, teaching himself to love others more deeply and understand them better. He cultivates inner peace, accepting and forgiving his past, embracing his present, and working diligently towards a future befitting his dreams. Each day, each decision, each change brings him closer towards his ideal self, his ideal life. The evolution of change, as it turns out, is not a destination but a constant journey, a beautiful process. So let's celebrate that process. Roll along with life's positive changes. Our hero's journey is a testament to the power within us all to transform. However well or poorly life might start, remember that you too can embrace the evolution of change. Our hero started his journey believing in the impossible, and so can you.
Thank you.